Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be touching on a very narrow but important topic in US immigration law. That is the L-1 blanket petition. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get the free evaluation of your L-1 case. Let's go. Let's talk about what is L-1 visa. Let's do the short overview. The L-1 visa is the visa for multinational managers or executives or people with unique knowledge about the business. In order to get L-1 visa, we need to have two companies. One company is abroad, so outside of the US, we're gonna call it a foreign company. And there must be another company in the US that's affiliated with the foreign company through the common control. The same person, the same company, or the combination of those control at least 51% of both companies. All right? So this is clear. Now, you have to have worked in the foreign company for at least a year in the past 3 years in the position of a manager or executive, or in a position of a specialized knowledge, right? Unique specialized knowledge. And you being transferred to the US to manage or control or perform the executive function, or be a person with a specialized knowledge in the US company. US company could be a new office, meaning it has not been operational for at least a year, or it could be an existing company. So that's the overview of L-1 visa. And remember, the maximum for L-1A visa is 7 years, and the maximum for L-1B, the specialized knowledge, is 5 years. And also it's important to understand that L-1 visa grants your spouse the right to work anywhere in the States, and your children can go to American school for free. What is L-1 blanket petition? And when I hear the word blanket, and when it's a blanket petition, I'm see in my brain that it is this blanket that you use in your bed, that you cover yourself and you fall asleep because it's nice and warm, but that's not what it is. Blanket petition means that the US company requests to bring a group of people from the foreign company to the US company. And by the way, why did I call this very narrow topic? Well, because there is only a small percentage of the companies that satisfy all the criteria for L-1 blanket petition. What are those requirements? Well, there are a few, but I'm gonna mention only the most important ones that are really need to be satisfied. Number one, that company should have at least 3 foreign or affiliated companies. Number two, that the American company should have at least 1,000 American employees. Number three, that American company should have at least $25 million in sales a year. And number four, that company should have petitioned at least 10 people for L-1 visa for the past year. Once that is satisfied, we can request a big number of people to be transferred from the foreign company here in the US. And what's the purpose of L-1 blanket petition? Well, the purpose is that sometimes those companies need to bring a lot of managers or specialized knowledge people or executives to control certain functions of the companies. And it's very hard and takes a lot of work and money to do the separate petitions. So that's why the US Congress created this blanket petition, so the big companies could bring a bunch of people from foreign company here in the US, and they don't have to deal with a lot of paperwork and slow down the process and slow down the growth. Right? And it's all about the growth, because it's presumed that those foreign employees, being very qualified for the positions, are going to contribute as much to the company that it's going to grow bigger and employ more Americans, pay more taxes, have more sales, so make the economical impact. All right? So this is very important to understand. If you have a company, big company outside of the US, and a huge company here in the States, and you have a bunch of other subsidiaries or branches or affiliated companies, at least 3, and there are 1,000 employees in America, and 25 million sales a year, and at least 10 L1 petitions in the past year. And again, this is very important because you have to build your case in order to be able to sponsor more people in your company for the blanket petition. Okay, first you grow your company, then you get all these criteria satisfied, and then you file the blanket petition. If you think that your company satisfies all these criteria and you want to use the L1 blanket petition, you can get a free evaluation of your case. Please go down below this video and don't put it off. Do it right now. Fill out the questionnaire that I prepared for you, and I will give you the free analysis of your case within 48 hours. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you like my content. Also follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok to get an access to the best immigration information on business immigration, investment visas, and talent visas. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, the lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.